Dear students, today I'll explain this is chapter number 3, reconstitution of partnership firm is admission of a partner. Before the end of the session, you will able to understand what do you mean by admission of a partner, then calculation of sacrifice ratio. First one, meaning. As per the basics of partnership, this is chapter number 2. Already we know what do you mean by partnership. Same definition, partnership is an agreement between two or more person for sharing the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. This is a partnership definition. Already we know this one. We already learned this in second chapter. Next one, any change in the existing agreement amount of reconstitution of partnership firm. What do you mean by that? Means in case of any changes for the agreement or any capital amount or a reconstitution, means any changes for the partners share, that one we are adding under the admission. Next one, the result in the end of the existing agreement and the new agreement comes to an beginning. Means old agreement will comes to an end, then now onwards will comes for the new agreement once the partner will be admitted. Next one, some modes of reconstitution of partnership firm. What do you mean by modes? Where we are using this reconstitution means when the new partner will become, that is admission of a partner we are calling. So in case of retirement or existing of a partner, retirement or existing. Next one, death of a partner. In case of any partner is died, then reconstitution will comes under the partnership firm. Next one, in case of any changes in the profit sharing ratio, then the mode will becomes under the reconstitution. These are the modes of reconstitution of partnership firm. So next one, admission of a partner. As per the chapter name, admission of a new partner. Name itself telling new partner. And the existing company, we are joining one new person into the company. That's the admission of a partner. So what do you mean by that? Means when a firm require additional capital, or in case of any managerial abilities, or any brand name of the partner, any brand name of the other company, then we are calling as a new person, that is a partner. So next one, when the firm requires additional capital, managerial helps, any new partner may be an admitted. These are the reason. They can give for the 2 marks question, what are the reason for admission of a new partner. You can write to increase the additional capital. In case of managerial ability should be increased, means he required as a new partner. This is a 2 marks question, important one. They can give, write any 2 reason or write any 1 reason for admission of a new partner. Next one, a new partner can be admitted into the firm only with the consist of all the existing partners unless otherwise is an agreement upon. It means when new partner should come, the old partners, previous old partner, they should give an agreement or they should give an permission to admit as a new partner. Otherwise, we can't admit it as a new partner. So next one, rights of newly admitted as a partners, or 2 rights of newly admitted as a partners. This one also important one, two marks question. Even last year they asked for the 2 marks question, write any 2 rights of newly admitted as of a partners. So any guesses? Okay, so first one, right to share the asset of the partnership of the firm when the new partner will bring to an capital. Means right to share the asset of the partnership of the firm. The firm means as a company share of assets we should distribute for all the partners as per the ratios. And next one, right to share the profit of the partnership for the company brings a premium of goodwill, a premium or goodwill. So what do you mean by goodwill? Means it is a reputation, a brand name of the company. A brand name, I can tell as a um, uh, reputation, as a good name also I can tell as a reputation, a good name we are calling as a goodwill of the company. Goodwill is an intangible asset of the company. It is not a tangible, it's intangible, will get as a reputation. For example, you can take for the mobile phones, Apple, there's a brand name. Samsung, there's a brand name. For example, you can take for the China mobile phone, that is not a brand name, it's a local mobile we are calling. In case of Apple, there's a brand. MI, that's a brand. That's what is a goodwill. Goodwill means a brand name or reputation of the company. We should share the reputation or profit of the partners to the rights. This is important one for 2 marks question. Write any two rights of newly admitted as a partner. So next one, important points at the time of admission of a partner means what are the points should be remember under the admission of a partner. So in this video or in this session, I'll cover only first one, there's a sacrifice ratio. Next one, new profit sharing ratio, and next videos I'll share the new profit sharing ratio and valuation of goodwill. I told us the goodwill is a reputation. How to calculate the valuation of goodwill. Next one, revaluation of assets and liabilities or assets and liabilities, and next one distribution of profit or reserves. Next one adjustments of partners capital. This 3 will comes under the 12 marks question. First 3 is a 6 marks question, calculation of sacrifice ratio, new profit sharing ratio, and valuation of adjustment of goodwill. First 3 will be 6 marks. Remaining we should prepare a 12 marks question under admission of a partner. In that we should prepare evaluation account. Next one will be partners capital account and new balance sheet. For that we know that last 3. Let me go. First one will be sacrifice ratio. It's important one, already I told, right? This is a 6 marks question. Compulsory they'll be given as a one problem. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. Any idea what do you mean by sacrifice ratio? Name itself telling sacrifice. Sacrifice ratio means you're sacrificing the certain amount, a part of amount to the new partner, that's all. And simple, what do you mean by sacrifice ratio means, suppose for example A and B, two partner. A and B are the two partner. For example, for company they got 10 rupees as a profit amount. Out of 10 rupees profit, Mr. A will take 7, Mr. B will take 3 rupees. Then total profit will be 10. Now what do you mean by sacrificing? A sacrifice ratio means once as a new partner is admitted, for example Mr. C is admitted. Now the old partner A and B, both they should give part of share of profit into new partner. For example, Mr. A will give 2 rupees. Mr. B will give 1 rupee. Then 2 plus 1 is a 3 rupees is the new partner share. New partner share. The new partner share, there's a 3 rupees a new partner share. This one will be a sacrifice ratio. So what do you mean by sacrifice ratio means a old partner surrender the part of share of profit into new partner. It's called as a sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio refers to the ratio which the old partners agree to sacrifice their share of profit in the favor of new partner. Clear? Means old partner they should sacrifice the part of share of profit into new partner. For example, I told Mr. A out of 7 rupees, in that he'll sacrifice only 2 rupees. That 2 rupees will be sacrificing of Mr. A. It's called as a sacrifice ratio. Next one, calculation of sacrifice ratio. We on formula for sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. This is the formula. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. And one more formula is there. One more formula, same type as the sacrifice ratio is equal to old share of profit minus new share of profit. Old share of profit minus a new share of profit. This is a formula. They can give for 1 marks question. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus dash. A sacrifice ratio is equal to old share of profit minus share sacrifice of profit. They can give right to left or left to right. This is a 1 marks question and formula also important one. Or they can give for 2 marks question. What do you mean by sacrifice ratio? Question mark. Write the formula for sacrifice ratio. Then formula, sacrifice ratio is equal to old share of profit minus new share of profit, or old ratio minus new ratio. Both are same. Clear? Sacrifice ratio. Then we can go for problems. This is a problem number 1. As per the question, A and B are the partner in the firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3. 5:3. They admit Mr. C as a new partner for 1/7th share of profit. The new profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Calculate the sacrifice ratio of Mr. A and B. Calculate the sacrifice ratio of Mr. A and B. An important one, sacrifice ratio we are calculating only for the old partners, not for the new partner. Sacrifice ratio we are calculated only for the old partner. What are old partners means? Mr. A and B. We should calculate only for the two partner, Mr. A and B. Question clear? So what are the contents are there as per the question means old ratio is there, then new ratio is there. Then we should find out the sacrifice ratio. What is the formula for sacrifice ratio means? Sacrifice ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio. A old share of profit minus new profit sharing ratio. I think formula will be clear. Now question also clear, right? Calculation of sacrifice ratio. Let me go for the solution. So heading calculation of sacrifice ratio. Now heading clear, right? Now first one, we can go for the question. So as per the question, A and B are the partners of the firm, sharing profit 5:3. 5:3 is the old partners, old profit sharing ratio. 3:2:1 will be new ratio. As per the question, first one, what are the partner names? A, B, C. C is a new partner. Question only I am transferring. What are the contents is there? I am transferring as per the column wise. Next one, old profit sharing ratio. In question there will be on old profit sharing ratio 5:3. Can transfer to 5:3 for the old ratio. And one more, new profit sharing ratio also is there. Then we can go for the new profit sharing ratio. In question, name is there, old profit sharing ratio, then new profit sharing ratio. So next one, old profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Same, new profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Question clear? As per the question, I am transferring like as a box wise, as a column and rows wise. Name A and B, C, old profit sharing ratio 5:3, the new profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Now I think as a question will be clear, right? Next one, what's the formula? Sacrifice ratio is equal to old share of profit minus new profit sharing ratio. Now formula will be clear. Again I am telling sacrifice ratio we should find out only for the old partners. Old partner means Mr. A and B. We should find out only Mr. A and B. First we can find out Mr. A sacrifice ratio. What's the old profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio is 5. 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8. So 5, okay. What about 8? 5 plus 3. Out of 8 rupees, Mr. A will take 5 rupees. That's why 5 divided by 8. Then minus, as per the formula, new profit sharing ratio 3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6 as a new profit sharing ratio. So 3 divided by 6, yes, Mr. A share will be 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is a 6. That's why 3 divided by 6. Now clear? New profit sharing ratio. Here 5 divided by 8 or minus 3 divided by 6 means we should do it as a basic maths wise. As SSLC we learned this LCM, Kannadadalli la saha ma saha. Same type we should find out here LCM. So LCM for denominators number. What is the denominator number means 8 and 6 we should find out the LCM. Least common number of least we should divide, almost we should come for the single digit numbers. The 1 we should convert. So now 8 and 6. So first table 2 4s are 2 3s are 6. Again still you can simplify that one. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 3 same number. Next again 2 1s are, again 3 common, then 3 1s are 1 1. Already we simplify. Now what about LCMs are 2 into 2 into 6. 2 into 2 into 6 is the LCM. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. Now LCM will be 24. LCM clear, right? So minus means compulsory we should find out the LCM. This is the basic maths. Next one. So denominator number 8, yes 6. But we got LCM number will be a 24. Denominator number will be 8. And next one 6. But LCM number we got as a 24. Then we should convert into 24. 8 and 6 we should convert into 24. So how to convert into 24, sir? Simple. You can tell the 8 ones are table. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. Then numerator and denominator we should write into 3. 8 3s are 24. Then 5 3s are 15. Now first one clear. Same type. 6 1s are table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 6 3s are 6 4s are 24, then into 4. 3 4s are, then 6 4s are, then 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24. 24, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Clear? As a simple, we should convert into 24, that's all. 8s are, then we should convert into 24. Then 8 ones are table, 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 8 3s are. Same type here, 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 6 3s are, 6 4s are, 6 4s are 24. That's all. Then numerator and denominator, same number you should multiply. 5 3s are, then 3 4s are 12. The answer 15 minus 12 divided by 24. Then 3 divided by 24. This is a sacrifice ratio of Mr. A. 3 divided by 24. This is our first partner. Clear? Same type you should find out Mr. B also. For this is a 6 marks question. We should find out sacrifice ratio of a 2 partner. 2 partner means only for the old partner. Mr. A separate and Mr. B separate. Let me go for the Mr. B. For formula, old share of profit. What is the old share of profit? 3. 3 divided by 8. Then minus new profit sharing ratio 2 divided by 6. Okay, 2 divided by 6. Then next step 8 and 6 LCM. 8 and 6 same LCM will be 24. Then we should convert into 24. 8 and 6 we should convert into 24. Reason is the basic mass, minus means with the basic mass we should find out the LCM. Now LCM will be 24. 24 means 8 3s are, then 3 3s are. 8 3s are, 3 3s are. Next 2 into 6, 6 4s are, 2 4s are. Then is equal to 8 3s are 24, 6 3s are 24. Same type 3 and 2. 3 and 9, 2 means 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 2 3s are and 2 4s are. 3 3s are, 2 4s are, 8 3s are, 6 4s are. Then 24 will get 9 minus 8. Then answer 1 divided by 24. Then sacrifice ratio of Mr. A and B 3 divided by 24 and 1 divided by 24. Or you can write like as a 24 and 24 denominator number will be same. Then you can cancel that one. Then answer 3 is to 1. Then sacrifice ratio of Mr. A and B is 3 is to 1. For this there will be going to 6 marks and important one, calculation of sacrifice ratio. Once again I am telling sacrifice ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of Mr. A 5 divided by 8 and new sharing ratio 3 divided by 6. Same type Mr. B 3 divided by 8 minus 2 divided by 6. You should find out the LCM. LCM will be 24. Then we should convert into 24. Then you'll get as a 3 divided by 24 and 1 divided by 24. 24 24 is a common. Then sacrifice ratio is 3 is to 1. Clear? Let me go one more problem, same type. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. As per the question, X and Y, 2 partner, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5 is to 3. Then old ratio is 5 is to 3. That means Mr. Z as a new partner by 1 by 7th share. 1 by 7th share, we don't want anything this one. We need only for the old ratio and new ratio. Sharing profit and loss, new profit sharing ratios 4 is to 2 is to 1. Calculate the sacrifice ratio Mr. X and Y. Sacrifice ratios only 2 partners X and Y we should find out. Let me go for the solution. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. Next line, problem. As per the problem, what is the partner name? X, Y, Z. Names X, Y, Z. Then what are the contents are there, sir? Old ratio, then new ratio. Old ratio, new ratio. Old ratio is 5 by 8. Next one, 4 is to 2 is to 1. Means 5 is to 3. 4 to 1. 4 to 1 means Mr. X 5 divided by 8. Mr. Y 3 divided by 8. Mr. X new share 4 divided by 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7. Then 1 divided by 7 is a new partnership. That one they'll mention here, 1 divided by 7. Clear? Old ratio, new ratios and all. Next one, what is the next step? Formula. What is the formula? Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Mr. X, we should find out only for Mr. X and Y. Only two partners. Now Mr. X, 5 divided by 8. New shares are 4 divided by 7. Then minus 8 and 7, we should find out the LCM. So compulsory we should find out the LCM. So LCM 8 and 7. Simple, 8 ones are 8, 7 ones are 7. Then 8 into 7. For this, the LCM. 8 into 7. 8 into 7, 56. 56 is an LCM. Then we should convert into 56. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are 8 six are 8 sevens are 56. Then 5 sevens are. Same type here. 4 and 7. 7 eights are 4 eights are. Now 8 sevens are 56. 7 eights are 56. One time we can write the denominator number will be 56. Then 5 sevens are 35, 4 eights are 20. Then answer 35 minus 25, we get as a 15. 15 divided by 26. Now Mr. X will be completed. Same type we can go for the second partner. Second partner, what is the old ratio? 3 by 8 minus, what is the new ratio? 2 divided by, new ratio 2 divided by 7. 8 and 7 same common, then LCM will be same, 56. 8 and 7, then we should convert into 8 and 7, we should convert into 56. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are 8 six are 8 sevens are. Same type 3 sevens are. Same type 7 eights are 2 eights are. Clear? So LCM 56. Then we should convert into 56. The next one 50 is equal to 8 sevens are 7 eights are 56. Then 3 and 21. Clear? 3 sevens are 2 eights are 16. 3 sevens are 21. 2 eights are 16. 21 minus 16 is equal to 5 divided by 56. Then denominator number you can check it here. Same 56. 56. Then what about sacrifice ratio? 15 is to 5. That's all. Sacrifice ratio of Mr. X and Y 15 is to 5. Or you can write one more type also. 15 is to 5 or 3 is to 1. So why we should write 3 is to 1? 5 ones are 5 threes are. 3 is to 1. Or you can write 15 is to 5. That is also correct answer. 15 is to 5 or 3 is to 1 also correct answer. This is a calculation of sacrifice ratio. In that any doubts? So same type. OMA problems I'll send through the WhatsApp. In that any doubts is there, man? Let me know that one. Clear? Thank you.